Alright, where's the light button? I also want to kind of point out that this is the most street legal we've ever been ever. If you watch my last video, you'll know that we kind of had a little bit of trouble with the cops. Well, there's a light on in there. What the? I didn't know anyone lived there. We're gonna have to get the dirt bike registered somehow before we ride on the road again. We're going about 35. The piles are bad over here. Jeez. That was like, I probably wrecked if I hit that. This thing. Let's see what she's got. 20? 25? 30? 40? Well, there's a turn right here, so I can't really. Gravel. Lots of gravel. More gravel. More gravel. What is up with that? Think we need to do something stupid.
I don't even know how much fuel I got either. I want to check that.
Yeah, you should probably do that. This thing, I'm assuming, is pretty full, right?
Who knows? What does the gauge say?
The gauge always says empty. I mean, we look sure legal. Like, no one's gonna know they're not. Right? Are we going?
I don't know if we should go on there, but we can park here. Turn the lights off, at least.
I'm going a little bit closer.
Turn the lights off, so we can park somewhere.
Yeah, we're riding motorbikes on a bridge. What are you gonna do about it though? Like, okay. This is some sketch right here. This is some sketch. There's like some trails right here. Cool. Watery, rocky. Oh my god, I need a dirt bike. Okay. There's like a tight squeeze up here right now. Yeah, this is pretty tight squeeze. You got it? Oh, that's not nearly as tight as I thought. What? It's not as bad as I thought.
I almost fell.
Oh yeah, I know.
We're out of our territory here.
We see a car, we're turning around. Ben, what are you doing? Why are we on Main Street? We can't be on Main Street. This is where we get murdered, guys. Oh my god. Seen too many drug deals over here before. We are in the most sketch place you can be right now. We are in the middle of town. We gotta watch.
Oh, what's going on?
Dead end!
Dead end?
Yeah.
Where we go? If we see something we might think is a cop, turn your lights off.
I'll just turn the bike off.
Turn the thing off.
Yeah. We'll be seeing them. There's a cop car. Jeez. Oh man, that cop car, man. We should head back and test our luck another day.
What?
I think we need to head back and test our luck another day.
Yeah, we get out of here.
We'll be back. We'll be seeing them later. This freaking thing right here. Sketch me out every time. And then this road right here. Sketch me out every time, because this road gets worse every time you see it. Oh jeez, go right a little bit and you're dead. What's up, Lake Life? We'll be seeing them later. Really? Pop. Oop. Watch us think we're all home free, and then we turn around the corner and there's a cop. That'd be our luck, though. Well, I've actually seen cops on WR250s. Ooh, it's kind of tiring. Out here at like 11:30. We've only ran into lifted trucks, and I see that as a positive. Okay, roll full race, tuck. 40, 45. Can we get to 50? I don't know, maybe. I would go faster, but I don't want to do a wheelie.
Dude, I think I would go a lot faster, but I think I would take off. So
I would go a little bit faster, but I think I'd go back to the future.
So I think I'm just trying to take it easy on you there. So what were you reading when we were like kind of racing there?
Like 40?
Like 40?
This is honestly getting pretty cold. My clothing choice of shorts wasn't the best. Alright guys, thanks for watching. It's the first night video I've ever done, and actually the first night ride I've ever done. So there's gonna have to be more of this. This was pretty fun to do. We're gonna do a lot more road videos because we got two things that are pretty street legal, and also we're gonna get the dirt bike registered. And I don't see why I couldn't ride on the road if it's registered and we're technically allowed to. I don't see why I wouldn't be able to. And then of course we're gonna make a lot more off-roading videos. Actually, the video before this I'm gonna upload. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna upload it before, even though it's not uploaded now, which is kind of trippy to think about. But I'm gonna put it in the top right. It was a really fun video. We had $250 quad that we had for about a day, and we just my brother tore that thing up, and we did some trail stuff. This video is going to be a lot different because it's just completely road. We did a lot, and we went to town, did a lot of alley stuff. It was pretty sketchy, but we're going to be doing a lot of riding, both off-road, on-road, just a lot of stuff this summer. So this is actually the first day of summer and the first ride of summer, obviously. Why is that light on? What the hell? Okay. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you're subscribed, thank you for being here. I'm going to be uploading so much more. And if you're new, subscribe, because this summer is going to be an adventure. There's going to be a lot of riding and a lot of videos. And you guys want to be part of the journey. There's going to be not only a lot of riding, there's going to be a lot of variety and different kinds of content. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys the next time. Peace.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig in